Hey, it's Wild Blockchain Academics. I'm super excited to have you guys here. We're going to go over Hex. Before I do so, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. We have videos coming out daily, so you're not going to miss out on any trading opportunities, any altcoin opportunities, any competitions and giveaways we're doing, and we're going to be giving out some trading strategies and some packages for our education platform, which will be coming out soon. So let's get right into it. What is Hex? Is Hex a scam? Before I get into this, I know a lot of people have invested in this. I know I'll get a lot of hate for just speaking the truth. So before you watch this, take a step back. If you're invested, take a step back, leave the bias behind and just kind of look at it at a fresh viewpoint. We're going to take a look at Hex and everything about it. So before it was Hex, it was Bitcoin Hex. And it said, if you could take Satoshi's coins, would you? Unclaimed coins given to early adopters, just one of the many bonuses of Bitcoin Hex. You can check out Altcoin Daily's video as well. I'm on here just to show you that they've changed their website, they've changed the name, they've changed a lot of stuff because, putting Bitcoin in the name of like an ultra shit coin, it's not any help for the Bitcoin ecosystem. It's not going to help sell your coin. It's just like literally another shit coin, and you just threw Bitcoin in front of it. So they changed it to Hex. That's probably the smarter thing to do. And now you can see the first high interest blockchain certificate of deposit. So we're going to take a look at this website, and we're going to go over everything. So I'm going to show you what I think are red flags and what I don't like about this. So right here it says Hex is designed to increase in value faster than anything else in history. That's a very, very huge claim. That's a huge claim. That's a red flag to me. Hex price did 84x in 116 days. That's a red flag to me right there. Picture of the graph of it doing gains is a red flag. It's like when Ethereum came out, when Bitcoin came out, do you think the white paper, do you think it was like promoting gains? It was promoting 80x, 40x, 100x. This is going to be the largest, this is going to be the cryptocurrency designed to increase in value faster than anything else in the world. This is all marketing. This is all marketing jargon. Like what we want to read about the coin. The first thing I'm seeing is like, oh, you're going to make money. Hex did a 84x. Look at this chart of Hex. You know what I mean? And then there's video. This is just a marketing video. Designing the best performing asset in history. Like, where's the white paper right here? Hex is the first high interest blockchain CD. So we're receiving high interest. Bitcoin went up 26x from 750 to 20 grand in only 378 days. Ethereum went up 233x from $6 to 1400 in 403 days. If you got in at $1, you made 7 times more. Imagine how 1400x returns feels. It's like this. It's clear that this coin is only here for gains. It's like that's all these guys have been talking about. That's the header. That's header 1 right here. That's the next literal point. Like this is all they're talking about. Gains, gains, gains. Like anybody coming here still doesn't know what Hex does. Hex is the first high interest blockchain CD. CDs known as certificate of deposits or time deposits are worth trillions of dollars. CDs are worth more than gold, so he's trying to make Hex into a CD where people can invest their Hex, lock up their Hex, start staking it. It is a proof of stake coin on the ERC20 platform, which we're going to get into. How are you going to name something Bitcoin and put it on there? That's just crazy. It's just literally crazy. And then people are investing into this. Hex is designed to go higher, faster, and retain its value. Marketing, 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 red flag. How? Use computer science breakthrough to disrupt the largest markets in the world. That's just marketing jargon. Where is it? We've been scrolling down. There's nothing about the tech, nothing about anything right now. It just, Hex is going up, Hex is going up, Hex is up 100x. Buy Ethereum to transform into Hex. Claim for free if you have Bitcoin or buy from someone who did. Stake Hex early, long and large, and watch it multiply. Everything here is just multiply. Hex going up, Hex is going to multiply. It's just crazy. So we're going to go into redeeming Hex. I actually have some Hex to redeem. I didn't go for it. It's not even worth my time in my opinion. Maybe if I got in first, and I'm not knocking people down. Whoever got into Hex and has made money and has realized that 80x if you realize DDX and you're feeling euphoric, I'm going to tell you to sell a portion of it. Not sell all of it, you know, maybe it's going to keep going. Sell a little bit of it and start realizing these gains. Start appreciating the money you've made off this, or you're going to ride it all the way back down. I can guarantee that. So, adoption amplifier, send ETH to the lobby. Your percentage of the day's total Ether gets the same percentage of the day's hex. Day 1 mints 1 billion hex. Days 2 to 351 have 500 million to as low as 300 million if 100% of free claims are made. Oh, I was going to say, where's the referral program? It's right here. Referred users get 10% bonus minted on the refers, get a 20 bonus. Bro, where are these guys getting coins from? They're just throwing coins. I bring a friend, I get 20%. This is literally a pyramid scheme. Literally a pyramid scheme. If I could draw something, I would just do a triangle. I referred one guy, I get 20%, and he gets 10%. And then let's say I referred 3 people who referred 3 people. That's a pyramid scheme. Referred users get 10% bonus minted, and their refer gets 20% bonus minted. What if I referred 100 people? You know, I'm just going to get so many free coins. Where's the actual value in this coin? Stakers get the unclaimed hex from Satoshi. Late claims, each week a BTC holder doesn't claim, they lose 2% of their stakes. So I didn't claim multiple, you know, let's say Bitcoin's worth, and I won't claim that. So people will get my free coins, but it's like, how's it valued at anything? Just because Satoshi, it's like taking back Satoshi's coins and then acting like it's worth something. One, you're not taking back his Bitcoin. You're getting free hex in the form. Yeah, it's crazy to me. Silly whale penalty. 1K to 10K BTC claims. Penalties of 50 to 70% of their hex. So why are whales going to support this when they're getting penalized? If I'm a whale and I'm going to invest in this project, maybe I'll throw 1,000 Bitcoins. I'm a whale. I don't know how whales work. Maybe they throw 500 Bitcoins. Maybe they throw 1,000 Bitcoins. You're going to get penalized now for 50 to 75% of their hex is going to go to stakers. That doesn't make sense. Obviously, whales, market makers, they're not going to support this. They're going to get penalized. They're not going to even bother to claim this. You think they're going to want to verify and verify an address with 10,000 Bitcoins to get like a couple thousand, 10,000, maybe a million of hex, and then to get penalized? It's not worth it. Launch phase only, pay daily. Stake share. This is just like bonuses, like interest rates, stake benefits, more bonuses, never before seen features. I'm talking, it's probably just more bonuses, and you know, around viral critical mass adoptions can increase up to 3x. Like, bro, you know, when you go to a real project with real like technology, real roadmaps and goals, you don't see this much marketing. Like 20% per year, stakers 2% per week. It's like, this is just all talking about like staking and just creating more coins out of thin air with this coin that's basically worth nothing. That's why I say, if you got in, how can Hex make you rich? No company, nobody would claim to make you rich. This is a scam. Like, you know, I wasn't trying to be this harsh when I first started it, but now I'm coming down and I'm seeing like, wow, this is like, how can Hex make you rich? Hex 80%, Hex is going to 1400%. Example, if Hex goes to 10x, your Hex is 1,000 times 10x equals 10,000x profit. It's like, you know, anybody can just write, yo, this could go to 100x, this could go to 10x. That's why I said, take a step back. Look at how crazy this is. Increase shares up to 1.x, increase shares to 3x, you know, refer people and get 20x. It's get people to buy Hex. So it's like you're getting hundreds of thousands of coins for free, and now you're going to tell your friends to buy. This is how Ponzi's work. They reward early oncomers, like early investors, early no coin who got the coins for free. Where, you know, this is how it works. Literally, you come in early, you see the gains, you tell your friends, you tell your family, you watch the YouTube video every week about Hex going up. You fall into that like community, and you become biased. Like you don't listen to anybody else until it's too late. And I'm sorry to say that. So, you know, referrals, security, where is like the white paper? We go to videos. This is just all promotion videos, like how X is gonna 10x, how Hex, you know, get your Hex. Hex did 3.x in 27 days, you know what I mean? It's not that crazy. I've been in a coin that did 40x in less than 27 days. So it's like, and it crashed. Sign up. FAQ, let's look at the tech specs. Oh, ERC20. We're going to go into Richard and some of his statements. And some of his statements against Ethereum. These are straight from Richard, the CEO, founder of Hex. Ethereum will always have more consensus failures than Bitcoin. Ethereum will always have more downtime than Bitcoin. Their blockchain is bloated. Screw it. Let's scam people and just make something on ERC20 and sell it to everybody. You know, everybody can get rich. Screw it. You know, that's crazy to me. You know, look into this. Frequently asked questions. Why are you launching this? To make money. When is a snapshot? How long will claiming be open? How many hex will I get? Just looking. How can I buy coins? When your end stakes, what's the best way to stake? Isn't staking for 1 year 5 times just as good as 5 years one time? No, if you stake 5 years once, you get about 100% bonus. So you're locking up your coins for 5 years now? For anything to happen in the crypto market? Holy, this is getting more screwed up. I hope none of you guys like put real hard-earned money and then locked it up in Hex for 5 years. There could be probably a cancellation or like a cancellation fee, a default fee, or if you try to take your money out early, you might lose everything you staked. I'm really not sure. It's just like, there's no point to look into this. This is a straight up scam. Instead of a white paper link, they have a memes link. That's Tom Bayes right there as well. This is crazy. Okay. Over 3x in staking rewards, they actually put that? What if, like, you know, we could put any coin with 10x plus staking rewards? That's not what brings value because you can stake more of it. #1 on-chain trading volume. Look, I pulled up their exchange. This is one of the most volume trading exchanges for Hex. And I went here and I went to, you know, if we went to dump this from 64, not even a cent. How many sats? I think it was like 64 sats. If we went to dump this from almost a cent, from 0.0064, and we dumped it to 0.005, it would only cost us $3,800. $3,800 to dump this market. You know, to take out all the buy orders. It's like, what, you know, there's no real liquidity. People are getting free coins and you're going to get dumped on. And we're going to look into how that actually will happen. So here is a Hex scam. Let's see if I missed anything on the website that's worth talking about. Tech specs. Here's your tech specs. Not much information here. Also, with claiming your coins, you may have to handle your private keys and sign and receive transactions. I didn't do it. It's just risky handling your private keys if you're not sure how to do so, or exposing it online. So it's risky doing so. Do it on, you know, do your due diligence first. See if this is worth your time. Maybe you can make a couple $100. Maybe you have 10, 20, 30, 40 Bitcoins. If you got it early, you know, good for you. I'm not hating on that. Just make sure you don't, you know, promote this to family and friends after you're 10, 20, 30, 40 X up and they're exposed to, like, you know, buying at the top, and maybe they'll never even see those prices again. So why Richard Hart's Bitcoin Hex is a scam? Well, first, it's on ERC20, on which ERC20 didn't require its own hardware to secure the network and had its entire supply redistributed. This must be the premises on which the veteran Bitcoiner and successful YouTube Richard Hart based his quest to build Bitcoin Hex, which is now changed to Hex. You can see here he was slamming Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and then he ended up making his crypto on the ERC20 platform. And you can see why Bitcoin Hex is technically worse than any other project bearing the Bitcoin name. If you ask Bitcoin core developers Greg, Andrew, Luke, about what makes Bitcoin special, then they will definitely point out the censorship resistance, the time-tested immutability, the autonomy-oriented philosophy, the system incentives, and the networked effect. In reality, an ERC20 token like Bitcoin X has none of these qualities. Instead, it steps into the scene with a promise to redistributing the last coins and unclaimed coins to the holders, as well as the airdrop ethos. And it's like, just because you claimed Satoshi's, million Bitcoins in Hex, where's the value coming from? Like, what is the actual purpose of this coin and it going to 1100, 1400X? That what everybody's, you know, kind of just pushing for. So as you can see here, ERC20 hex token designed by Richard is a crypto analog of traditional bank certificate of deposit, sometimes called a time deposit. If you must, you can read about it here. But do not click that link, I'll tell you why soon. So Bitcoin will always be better than Ethereum. This is just one big scam. And also, I just wanted to briefly go over this. Did you notice that the code, did you read the code? The origin address gets a copy of all bonuses. So if this token is so bad, aren't we just back to the worst case scenario mentioned above? You didn't gain anything, but you didn't really lose anything either. It was free. Wrong? Right or wrong? You lost your time and your attention, two of the most valuable commodities we have as human beings. You probably stress about the money and will continue to stress about it. What it might have been, what if you pulled it out, what if you pulled it out at the top, which I've seen that hurts your psychology. It just puts you in a bad space altogether, and you paid the opportunity cost of not focusing on your relationships, your work, and your real contributions to society, which you can actually make money with. So we are going to now hop on the last piece, which I found interesting. I found this on a Facebook group. This is the last thing I'm going to end it on, by Zachary Dash and the Crypto Coin Trader Group, the Hex Liquidity Exit Theory. Add AA Adoption Amplifier, aka ICO, ETH funds to Uniswap protocol. Use AA, the dollar Ethereum, to manipulate Uniswap protocol data with wash trading and constant purposes. Drive awareness from FOMO investors seeing continuous price increase to the top. That's everybody's talking about. It's going to 100x, 200x, 300x, 1000x. That's all really people care about right now. And people are FOMOing into it. It's crazy. Because of Uniswap's bonding curve formula, ETH quality increases in liquidity pool relative to hex quantity. Oops, that's a meme that I found on the hex with tone in there. Slowly begin withdrawing liquidity from pool without selling any tokens. Price stays the same, but liquidity and floor disappears from token holders, so soon nowhere retail investors can sell without crashing price. Downward spiral, leaving people with bags. Similar outcome to BitConnect, but instead of founders dumping tokens, founder dumps liquidity and takes legs out from token holders. And number 10 is like, I hope I'm wrong. You can see here, like I said, one of the exchanges with the most volume. We can bring it down. I don't know if that's the last order. I can't really see. Probably not, but we can take this down with $3,000 from 65 to 50. That's over 20%, I think. Could give or take, 15-20% with just $3,000. And then what about everybody who put money in at the top, or everybody who's trying to see Hex go to 1000x? So that's my quick review on Hex. There's not much to review, but just a coin that's poised to go to number one and beat Bitcoin and do 2,500x, 5,000x to get you rich, make everybody rich. If it was that easy, everybody would be rich, right? So that's my video. I'm gonna get a lot of hate on it. I might save one person, and in doing so, that's fine with me. And that's it for today. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Make sure to subscribe.